Hey everyone! In this video, we'll be showing you how to remove people from your Instagram close friends list on Android. Close friends lists are a great way to share more personal content with a select group of people, but sometimes you may want to remove someone from the list. Here are the steps. First, open the Instagram app and log into your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap on your profile picture down below. Next, tap on the 3 stacked lines in the bottom right-hand corner. This will take you to your profile settings. From there, choose Close Friends. This will take you to a page where you can see all of the people on your close friends list. To remove someone from the list, search for the person you want to remove and unchoose them. You can do this by tapping on their name and then tapping the checkmark to unselect them. Once you've unselected the person or people you want to remove, click Done to save your changes. It's important to note that only you can see your close friends list, so the people you remove won't know that they've been removed from the list. Removing people from your Instagram close friends list on Android is quick and easy. We recommend regularly reviewing your close friends list to make sure you're only sharing personal content with the people you want to. And that's all there is to it. Removing people from your Instagram close friends list on Android is quick and easy, and can help you keep your personal content private. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials on using Instagram and other social media apps.